Good job. Oh, look what I got. Oh, good. Good boy. Good boy.
Rufus, come on.
Sit. Sit.
He's so proud of his find.
Oh, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Rufus, look at what I got here. What I got. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh. They want the ball. Which one is that? Don't steal the ball.
This one's Cooper.
Brother.
Cooper's so happy.
Hey,
He's always
Rufus,
happy.
come here.
Good sit. Good sit, Cooper. Good sit.
And he dropped it.
Good
Oh, here it
boy.
is.
He'll take that.
Oh, sit. Sit.
If you stand up and do it, just look at them, they'll do it. I don't give it to them. They don't.
Oh.
Hey.
They're really cute.
Hey.
Cooper's going there. Ooh, look at him. He's showing. That's pretty cute.
We're about to go number 2.
Come here, puppies. Puppies.
You don't have to do a whole lot of Rufus.
That was good. You did it.
Puppies. He picked up a stick.
Puppies. Puppies.
Oh, good.
Good. They know to come when I say puppy, and then they just come over and sit.
Here. Where's Mitchell?
Puppies! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Good girl.
Oh
Or
boy.
boy, I guess that's Cooper. Good boy, Bentley. Although I don't think you're paying attention anyway.
The puppies freak out about you, Jimmy. Walk up to the puppies and see what they do.
Like, oh, what's that?
Spider-Man's here.
Oh, there he is. Pretty scary looking there.
They're like, we don't
There's
care.
some good socialization. Even Spider-Man, they're not afraid of him even.
The one's going potty right there. Yep. Oh, great. I gotta go. You scared me. Nick, you wanna go now? Jim, the puppies are following you.
Come this way. Okay, that's all right. As long as they don't call him over there.
Come this way,
They
buddy.
need to stay this way. Come on, Rufus. Puppy, 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 puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. I love how the ears flap. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Oh, look at that. Oh, let the dog you.
He's afraid boy. How many puppies?